Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed about the hydrolysis of salt. In previous class, we have discussed only two types. Okay. So today I am going to discuss about another two types of hydrolysis of salt. Okay. So first of all is what is hydrolysis of salt? Lysis of salt. Okay, so what is the hydrolysis of salt? We have already been discussed. Okay, so hydrolysis is defined as the interaction of ions of salt with oppositely charged ion of water. Suppose AB is a salt and it gives rise to A plus and B minus ion. Okay, so in water it gives H plus or OH minus ion. So here when AB dissolves in water, AB is a salt which is dissolves in water, then in AB A plus ion is attracted to OH minus ion of water, and here B minus ion of salt is attracted to the H plus ion of water. Okay, so here oppositely charged ions of water and salts are attracted towards itself. Okay, so then it gives A plus OH. Okay, and another is H plus B minus. Here these are two types of compound. The compound which contains H plus ion, at least one H plus ion, is known as acid, and those compound which contains at least one OH minus ion is known as base. Okay, so in this case the hydrolysis of salt are divided into four categories. One is salt of strong acid strong base. Second, salt of strong acid weak base, which are discussed in our previous class. Okay, so next two types are next two types are uh, one is salt of weak acid and strong base. Okay, and last one is salt of weak acid and weak base. Okay, so first of all I am going to discuss about salt of weak acid and strong base. Weak acid and strong base. Okay, so in this case here few examples of salts are କିଛି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଏଇଠି ଆମେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା ସୋଡ଼ିୟମ୍ ଏସିଟେଟ୍. Sodium acetate, such salts are CH3COO Na. Okay, then sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Okay, then potassium cyanide KCN, etc. Consider sodium carbonate. It dissociates completes in water. Water dissociates only to a small extent as it is a weak electrolyte. Okay, so consider this one. Consider CH3COONA. CH3COONA, that is our sodium carbonate, this one. Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, which is dissociated into water. Okay, which is dissociated into water. ताहले कौन से फॉर्मेशन कर परिबो ये जो डिसोसिएट हम वाटर सहित दैट मीन्स इट गिव्स राइज टू 2Na प्लस आयन प्लस CO3 2 माइनस आयन and water in case of water H plus ion plus OH minus ion. Here Na plus ion, how many Na plus ion in this compound? Here two number of Na plus ion in this compound. So here we can multiply 2. Okay, we can multiply with 2 in H2O. So here 2H plus ion and 2OH minus ion. Okay, so in this case 2Na plus and 2OH minus ion which is combined to form 2NaOH compound, which is called strong base, which is called strong base. Okay, and here 2H plus ion CO3 2 minus ion, 2H plus ion, 2H plus ion and CO3 2 minus ion, it combines to form H2CO3, carbonic acid. This is our carbonic acid, carbonic acid, which is weak acid. कार्बोनिक एसिड कौन आम पाँच जमीक कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स आम पेप्सी कोका कोलार जो पाँच से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइडटा से कौन होती ना डिजोल्व होती तो सी फॉर्म कर कार्बोनिक एसिड. ओके, CO3 and 2H plus ion combine to form carbonic acid, that is called H2CO3. Okay, or H2CO3 is a weak acid and 2NaOH is a strong base. Okay, here Na plus ion and OH minus ion exist as such, they form a strong electrolyte. On other hand, CO3 minus ion combined with 2H plus ion to form H2CO3, which is called carbonic acid, which is a weak acid. The consumption of H plus ion shift dissociation equilibrium of water towards right hand side. As a result, the concentration of OH minus ion goes on increasing in the solution. Hence, the resulting solution is basic. So here in this case, acid is very weak and here base is very strong. So the solution is completely basic solution. We call basic solution. And the pH is, and this solution, the solution of this pH टा कहते हैं greater than 7. pH is equal to, pH is greater than 7. Okay, the type of hydrolysis is also called anionic hydrolysis. This type of hydrolysis is called anionic hydrolysis. Okay, because only the anion of the salt combined with H plus ion of water, because only the anion of salt combines with H plus ions of water. Okay, the hydrolysis of sodium carbonate is represented as this. Okay, so next point is salt of weak acid and weak base. So note down this. Then the next point is salt of weak acid and weak base. Salt of weak acid and weak base. Few examples of such salts are ammonium acetate, calcium oxalate, or ammonium carbonate, or ammonium benzoate, etc. Consider dissociation of ammonium acetate in water. Ammonium acetate dissociates completely. Water is a weak electrolyte. ओके तो ताहले देखो फ्यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सच सॉल्ट्स माने जो सॉल्ट गुड़ाक वीक एसिड आ वीक बेस बाहर करेंगे से किसी सॉल्ट गुड़ाक अच्छी CH3COO एमोनियम एसिटेट कैल्शियम ऑक्सालेट CaC2O4 कैल्शियम ऑक्सालेट देन आसीबो कोन ना NH4 होल टू एमोनियम कार्बोनेट CO3 है एमोनियम बेंजोएट C6H5COO NH4 ओके एसेट्रा तो एगुड़ाक सब होउछंती कोन ना गोटे गोटे कंपाउंड जो माने कि गोटे गोटे सॉल्ट जो माने कि वीक एसिड दउछंती आ वीक बेस मध्ये फॉर्मेशन करूछंती ओके consider the dissociation of CH3CONH4 okay consider the dissociation of CH3COONH4 okay CH3COONH4 okay so here it gives rise to acetate ion CH3COO minus ion and NH4 plus ion okay this is positive ion and this is the negative ion of this compound okay here water gives rise to H plus ion plus OH minus ion okay here this negative ion of this salt is attract to H plus ion and ammonium ion is attract to OH minus ion okay so it gives CH3COOH plus NH4OH okay this is weak acid which is called acetic acid and this is NH4OH which is weak base which is called ammonium hydroxide okay so this is our hydrolysis of salt okay the salt of weak acid and weak base okay तो एटा हमर थिला ए जिंसटा एमती सॉल्ट ऑफ वीक एसिड एंड वीक बेस एटा थिला तमे एटा लिखि नबो